सोने लख बार करा.
So finally the fate gave me a chance to marry you. And believe me, those 8 years were like that they will never pass by. The day I met Apurva first, I saw my would-be wife in her. It was her unconditional love and affection for me which attracted me more towards her every time.
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे, इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं, इस मांग में भर दूं तारे.
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई, येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई.
हेलो हेलो तू मुझे घूमने लगाई, येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई.
Finally, we will be together. It is so hard to believe. I will be his wife in another few hours. Wow, it's like a dream come true. It is a very great moment for me. Like, I'm so happy and nervous at the same time, and really, I really don't know how to react at this point of time. There were so many days when I felt low and demotivated, but then Gary, he has always been my pillar. He always made me feel better, and I love him for that.
There were so many ups and downs, highs and lows in my life. But trust me, Apurva has guided me so well and showed me a right direction always to walk on. Everything that I have with me right now is all because of you. And if you would have not been here, trust me, I would not be able to stand where I'm standing today. Love you to the moon and back, Apurva. I love you so much.
It all started 8 years ago when we both were in the first year of college. We became good friends, and I never thought that this will be our destiny. But when I look back today, I seriously realize that we have walked a long path together. And starting a new journey with Gaurav will be more promising and at the same time more exciting and stirring. So love you so much.
मदानिया
मेरी हर मन मानी बस तुम तक, बातें बचकानी बस तुम तक, मेरी नजर दीवानी बस तुम तक, मेरे सुख दुख आते जाते सारे तुम तक, तुम तक, तुम तक, सोने यार तुम तक, तुम तक, तुम तक, सोने यार तुम तक अर्जी मेरी, फिर आगे जो मर्जी तुम तक अर्जी मेरी, फिर तेरी जो मर्जी, मेरी हर दुश्वारी बस तुम तक, मेरी हर होशियारी बस तुम तक, मेरी हर तैयारी बस तुम तक, तुम तक, तुम तक, तुम तक, तुम तक, मेरी तुम तक आ, 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 आ।
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Well, I know this little chapel on the boulevard we can go. No one will know.
I accept you as my wife and promise you the prosperity and wealth as a couple. I also wish good upbringing for our children.
I promise to fill your heart with strength and courage. I will be your strength and stand by you in all tough and turbulent times.
I wish for your happiness in front of this holy fire.
I promise you that I will honor you with all the respect and love as I can.
My last promise to you in our 7th step is that our love and companionship has become inseparable and eternal.
I promise you that I have become your spouse by the law of God, holy fire, and the holy scriptures. I have made all these promises with my pure heart and pure mind. All the angels are witnesses to this fact. I shall neither deceive you nor will let you down.
त्वमेव माता पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या तरुणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृतिस्वभावात् हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण.
We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on the balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the bar.